Hello everyone and welcome to this new video where we will explore one of the most exciting products on the market. Action cameras in 360 degrees capture, the Insta360 X5. The Insta360 X5, Insta360, is a company that has built a solid reputation in the field of immersive cameras thanks to its constant innovation and ability to push the boundaries of video technology. With the release of their latest model, the Insta360 X5, they promise to once again transform the way we capture moments. So, before diving into the details, don't forget that you can find all the useful links in the description, so make sure to check them out for more information. Let's start with the design of the Insta360 X5, a crucial element that influences not only the aesthetics but also the practicality of the camera. At first glance, the Insta presents itself with a modern and sleek look. The casing is parallelepiped shaped, measuring approximately 4.6 by 12 centimeters by 3 centimeters deep, giving it a compact and easy-to-handle profile. Weighing only 200 grams, it is lightweight, making it ideal for effortless transport during your adventures. The materials used are of high quality, and the device is designed to withstand harsh conditions thanks to its IP68 certification, meaning it is waterproof up to 15 meters. The finishes are impeccable, with carefully thought-out details, such as the geometric pattern on the front that replaces the old ribs. The 2.29-inch touchscreen is bright enough for use in direct sunlight, offering an intuitive interface for navigating between different features. Colors. The Insta360 X5 has a subtle, professional palette, appealing to those who appreciate a discreet yet effective design. Now let's move on to the main features that are the heart of this revolutionary camera. The Insta360 X5 is equipped with two 1/1.28-inch image sensors, each of which is 44% larger than those of its predecessor, the X4. These improved sensors allow for higher quality image capture, especially in low-light conditions. The camera can record videos in 8K resolution at 30 frames per second and photos up to 72 megapixels, offering unmatched clarity and precision. The device uses advanced technologies like pure video mode, specially designed for night shooting, and image stabilization, FlowState, which keeps the horizon steady, ensuring smooth and professional footage. The lenses of the Insta360 X5 are replaceable, a first in the field of action cameras, allowing for easy repair of damage without going through an expensive after-sales service. Additionally, the camera integrates 4 microphones with an innovative windscreen that enhances audio capture, effectively reducing unwanted noise. The battery, with a capacity of 2,400 mAh, offers significant autonomy, with recording times reaching up to 185 minutes in endurance mode. In terms of practical use, the Insta360 X5 stands out for its versatility and ease of use. Thanks to its responsive touchscreen and gesture controls, it is easy to handle, even for beginners. Users can start or stop recording with a simple hand gesture or by using the function twist, which responds to a wrist rotation movement. This feature is particularly useful when wearing gloves or when your hands are occupied. The Insta360 companion app has also been redesigned to offer an improved user experience. It offers enhanced editing tools such as the dewarp button to eliminate file distortion and a quick export function to easily share your creations on social media. Content creators will appreciate the new InstaFrame mode, which allows capturing a 360 degrees video and a flat video simultaneously, making instant sharing easier without additional editing. For those who prefer editing on a large screen, the Insta360 Studio software offers a comprehensive interface for more precise editing, while the Reframe plugin provides direct integration with Adobe Premiere Pro for even more advanced control over sequences. The camera is also compatible with the Insta360 Plus service, which offers automatic cloud backup, ensuring that your valuable videos are always protected and accessible. In terms of comparison with other products on the market, the Insta360 X5 stands out with its larger sensors and advanced low-light capabilities, surpassing many competitors. Although the GoPro Hero 13 is a popular option, the Insta360 X5 offers much higher resolution and framing flexibility, thanks to its ability to produce immersive 360 degrees videos. The price may seem high compared to other models, but it is justified by the range of features offered and the quality of the footage produced. For those looking for a camera capable of capturing high-quality images in various conditions, the Insta360 X5 is a top choice. In conclusion, the Insta360 X5 establishes itself as a leader in the field of action and 360 degrees cameras. Its ingenious design, advanced technical features, and ease of use make it an essential tool for content creators in search of new perspectives. If you are interested in purchasing this camera, don't forget to check the link in the description for more details. Every click and purchase through this link supports the channel, and I thank you for that. We hope this discovery has been helpful to you. Feel free to leave your comments below to share your impressions. Like the video if you enjoyed it, and of course, subscribe to our channel for more product discoveries. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Ciao ciao.